Wow, that was a bit of a non-stop kind of trip from the CL to here. I mean, we're in France now. We're at a CL in about half hour outside Calais. Just stopped for a comfort break. I had a bit of a problem last night. We left at 2:30 in the morning. On the CL, there was two of us on there, so I'd put the stays up, connected to the car, did everything apart from connect the electric to the car. When I went to bring in the electric cable in the dark, it got snagged under the caravan. I thought, that's weird. When I had a look, got my torch on it, I'd put the EMP level up in the evening so that it didn't make a noise at 3:30 in the morning, you know, the beep, 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 right? And the electric cable got caught in the EMP as it went up. You know, which made me remember that during the evening, the next door said, "Oh, have you got electricity?" No, I hadn't. And as it turned out, it was because the EMP leveling had caught the electric cable and actually almost cut through the cable. So I've got a bare wire, which I'm going to have to sort out when we get to the next site. So we're going to Camping Saint Nicolas, which is about 3.5 hours maybe from Calais, possibly 4 hours from Calais. So we went Irish Ferries from Calais. I went over to the shop to get a coffee, and I just got back in time for us to start boarding. Off almost straight away. Good sailing, a bit like a mill pond it was actually, very nice crossing indeed. I made the mistake in getting one of their Irish breakfasts at £15, not even with a drink. Won't be doing that again. Bit tired actually. Didn't really sleep much last night. We left at say 2:30, and maybe I had about 3 hours sleep or something. Not sensible at my age. Still, onwards and upwards. I can't try and sort that electric cable. We've got a 10-metre one with us as well, so I'll have a look at that. Maybe we can use that when we get there. Anyway, see you when we get to the campsite. So yesterday, as we were putting the legs up, we normally put the electric cable away first and then put the legs up last. Well, this time we didn't. We put the legs up with the electric cable still draped under the caravan, and well, as you see there, a little bit of a problem. But off to the supermarket, black electrical tape to try and make good of it temporarily. I'll buy another one as soon as I'm able. So very nice site, perfect for one night that we're staying. Tomorrow we're going down to Loire Valley, with another 4 hours south. There's a reception and a little bar and a restaurant and stuff where they do obviously food. Anyway, I've got to get on to fix this electric cable because we need it tomorrow. Luckily I've got a spare, I've got a 10-metre one, so we parked near to the electric point. Oh, on the pitch as well, there's water tap there and electric. About 25 quid a night. It's warm, about 29. So that'll do for now. We'll get a replacement as soon as I can, but it was just the blue cable that was bare, so I've just wound black electrical tape around the blue cable so that it's not touching the others, and then taped them all together. See how we get on tomorrow. So this site is, can't remember the bloody name. What's it called? Camping Saint Nicolas. So it's quite a small site, very French, which is nice. Mix of nationalities here. Here's the little shower block here. Over there is a play area for the kids. Static caravans. More beaches. There's us. Yep. Right, so we're just getting ready to leave our first site. It's Camping Saint Nicolas, a very nice site. You'd have seen a little review we did just then. A difference between northern and southern France in the morning. Grass, dew, feet are wet, although it's quite warm. Down south you don't get that at all. A little fact for you there. Now I'm a little bit concerned that we're not going quite as far south as we normally do, so I'm concerned about the weather, but it'll be okay. Loire Valley now, about 4-hour drive.
This is quality caravan vlogging.